Hi friends, hola mis amigos, and welcome back to Playgarden Prep online. My name is Miss Canitra, o en español, Señorita Canitra. And today we will be learning some words o palabras en español. I love learning words in Spanish, so let's get started. We know there are so many different colors. Should we learn a few in Spanish today? We should. First up, we have 2 pointer fingers and a drum roll, please. Red. Red. Red starts with the letter R. And red in Spanish is rojo. Rojo. Your turn. Rojo. Red in Spanish is rojo. Red in Spanish is rojo. Red is a primary color. Red in Spanish is rojo. Rojo. Red. O en español, rojo. Next up, we have 2 pointer fingers and a drum roll, please. Blue. Blue. Blue starts with the letter B. And blue in Spanish is azul. Azul. Your turn. Azul. Blue in Spanish is azul. Blue in Spanish is azul. Blue is a primary color. Blue in Spanish is azul. Azul. Blue. O en español, azul. Next up, we have 2 more pointer fingers. Drum roll, please. Yellow. Yellow. Yellow starts with the letter Y. And yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Amarillo. Your turn. Amarillo. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Yellow is a primary color. Yellow in Spanish is amarillo. Amarillo. Yellow. O en español, amarillo. Next up, we have 2 more pointer fingers. Drum roll, please. Green. Green. Green starts with the letter G. And green in Spanish is verde. Verde. Your turn. Verde. Green in Spanish is verde. Green in Spanish is verde. Green is a secondary color. Green in Spanish is verde. Verde. Green. O en español, verde. 2 more pointer fingers. Drum roll, please. Orange. Orange. Orange starts with the letter O. And orange in Spanish is naranja. Naranja. Your turn. Naranja. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Orange is a secondary color. Orange in Spanish is naranja. Naranja. Orange. O en español, naranja. And last but certainly not least, we have purple. Purple. Purple starts with the letter P. And purple in Spanish is morado. Morado. Your turn. Morado. Purple in Spanish is morado. Purple in Spanish is morado. Purple is a secondary color. Purple in Spanish is morado. Morado. Purple. O en español, morado. Wow, friends, we learned 6 words o 6 palabras en español today. Let's review. Red o en español, rojo. Red is a primary color. Blue o en español, azul. Blue is a primary color. Yellow o en español, amarillo. Yellow is a primary color. Green o en español, verde. Green is a secondary color. Orange o en español, naranja. Orange is a secondary color. Purple o en español, morado. Purple is a secondary color. Oh my goodness. Thanks so much, friends. Bye. Hasta la vista. I'll see you next time.